From the beginning, Pakuwon had set a strong lead for a remarkable journey with a strategic roadmap that was guided by a clear vision. Today, Pakuwon is one of the largest property companies in Indonesia, focusing on 5 core property businesses consisting of malls, more than 823,000 square meters in LA of total mall area. Landed houses, with expanded development of more than 1,100 hectares. High-rise housing, with more than 14,000 apartment units. Office towers, managing more than 290,000 square meters GSA of total office tower area. And hotels, with more than 2,300 hotel rooms managed by International Hotel Chain Management. We believe that collaboration is the key to our success. We continue to forge strong partnerships with leading industry players, financial institutions, and local governments to drive our projects forward and deliver exceptional value to our stakeholders. Our flagship developments are the proof of our dedication, upholding the highest standards of corporate governance and operational excellence that marvels all eyes, ensuring long-term profitability and business resilience. Despite the global challenge, we continue to deliver significant strides, developments that not only contribute to our portfolio, but also to the national economic growth and urban lifestyles transformation. In each emerging area, PT Pakuwon Jati will always leave a significant presence, being the epicentrum of urban lifestyle that excels in innovation. Incorporate cutting-edge technology, smart infrastructure, and architectural brilliance to meet the evolving needs of communities. Our hard work and commitment has been well acknowledged by many, with numerous honors and recognitions for many of our corporate actions and business activities throughout the journey. We are implementing technology that supports environmental sustainability to ensure that our growth is always beneficial for the majority. Always moving hand in hand in collaboration, so we can always put priority in the corporate performance, strategic growth for initiatives, and robust financial accomplishment with PT Pakuwon Jati Tbk. Together, we grow.